The secret to creativity is new. Something new, like a brush or a new texture or a new paper or a new way to look at the world. Something new. And it always leads you to something creative. So this whole project is about asking, think, what if? And I use it. So some of that goes on in each of my videos. I did this when I decided to use 2 gel press plates. If you'll see in the video, I thought, what if I took this 12 by 14 that was sitting next to this 12 by 12 over in my pile of supplies across the way, and I decided to butt them up against each other and create a larger surface. That got me really excited and led to a lot of fun and creativity. So if you don't have 2 plates, don't worry. It can be something different that you've never done before. But if you have 2, I encourage you to try the technique at any size and put them side by side. I have a set of stencils. These stencils, when I design stencils, I usually work in 3s. I like to have some flexibility, so there's a collection of 3 in many of my groupings of stencils. So this one in particular that I used for the gel and journal that I go on to demonstrate, I used my wisteria collection. So if you notice, I lay them out on the plate very deliberately and use all 3 so that I could create a kind of flow, so that when I'm pulling the prints, I can get shapes that flow together. It's just something fun and added that I like to challenge you with. So I took and decided that I would take these gel prints and collage them onto a half sheet of watercolor paper. And a full sheet is 30 by 22, so I did a 15 by 22 piece of paper, and then I trimmed them down to 21 inches on the long side so that the number is easily divisible by 3. And if you don't remember anything else in the video, just remember 3. This process is about 3s. So you'll have 3 pages. You'll have 2 of the pages will have 3 folds, and you'll see as you go along. So that's why I created them in this size. But any size will work. If you only have a little tiny piece of paper, use that. The same principles will apply. You'll just have slightly different measurements. I can't wait to see what you're going to do with it, but there's just some delicious, awesome, amazing opportunities to create. And I hope that you enjoy creating these journals. I know that I did. And remember, what if? Try something new. And the third thing is,